of Black Along the Border. So as you guys can see from the title, we are going to be trying Mexican candy. Yes. So our kids have been going to birthday parties and parties here and there, and they've been getting candy, but they've been getting some candy that we're not used to. Like when we were back at home, we were used to getting, or they were used to getting Snickers, Twix, Skittles, and all of that. But now they're getting different kinds of candy. So I thought it'd be fun for us to try new candy that we've never tried before, see how we like it and all that. Then I would love for us to try a popular treat that I've never tried before, but it looks absolutely delicious. The Mangonadas, I may be saying it wrong, but it's a popular mango drink with like spices and all of that. So it's a type of treat that I think looks amazing. I've never tried it before, so I'm going to attempt to make it for us and see how it tastes. So let's hop right into these candies, all right? So without any further ado, let's get it. All right, so usually when we go to H-E-B Plus or the grocery store, you know, we'll see different candies and stuff like that, but when we go to like the treat aisle, they have like a little section full of like Mexican candy and everything. And of course, we don't think to get it because we've never tried it. So luckily, the stuff that I did see at H-E-B Plus is the same stuff the kids have. So we're gonna try it out and see how we like it. So this is a popular kind. I asked the guy at the store and he said that a lot of people eat this. This is the Polporino. So we have a variety of candies here that a lot of people try and everything, or they eat. So we're gonna try it out and see how we like it. So let's get it. So, sabor a chocolate en vanilla y fresa.
Mommy, this one's
It's Neapolitan.
Yeah. This looks really good.
Does it come with a stick or something?
I don't know how you're supposed to eat it. I got
You lick it.
Here, Miss Bun.
No, it didn't come with a spoon.
So we just eat it like that?
Yeah, you're just supposed to lick it.
Ah, see, it's too much work.
Here, Tristan, use your finger. He's not gonna.
Look at him.
Strawberry's not too bad.
I wonder how many calories it is. It's not bad.
Yeah, I like the strawberry.
It's not. It's gotta be a more efficient way to eat it.
All right. You don't want to like be touching something and you want to eat it and you can't even touch it. That's good.
I think you're supposed to eat it on something.
You know, kids, they don't care. They gonna eat it regardless.
This is pretty good.
All right, so nusitas. That was called. So nusitas will be in.
Dos gorros arriba.
See.
See.
All right, let's try the
Where the
pulp.
Mexican go? We'll do that again.
Let's try the Polporino. Y'all can split that one. So this is the chamoy. That's this thing. Chamoy. That's this thing. Okay. All right. So dulce del tamarindo salado y enchilado con sabor chamoy. And it's all natural, you know. So must be healthy. Yeah, he's still eating it. All right.
Daddy told him to
Whoa.
use his stick.
Wait. Wait a
I'm
minute.
not eating that. I know what your boy tastes like.
Wait a minute. Okay, so hold on, pause for pause. It's good.
No.
Yeah, for the first 2 seconds.
Yeah. Okay. It's a mixture. It's like eating an airhead with seasoning salt on it.
Yeah.
Like that's what it's
Yuck.
to me. Like it's like
Yeah, I had gummy, chamoy gummy.
Aww.
No, thank you.
I mean, it's not bad.
Yeah, at first it's different. It's not bad.
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you what.
Or like the first 2 seconds I licked it, it tastes good, but then
Yeah, it's like, it's not bad,
but it's not good.
but it's not, I wouldn't eat it all the time. I don't know. Alright, next. Alright, so we have this here. This is the bocadin. Alright, so this is a wafer filled with peanut butter and chocolate covered flavored coating.
Sounds like a Kit Kat.
Alright, break it. Yeah, split that.
I want Kit
I think
Kat.
there's only one. This one. So I think you make one, Maddie.
I want Kit Kat.
Yep. Doesn't hesitate. It's right.
Okay. That was good.
Yep.
Yeah, it tastes like a wafer. Literally, like what it said. It tastes like a chocolate covered wafer. How do you say it?
Ringos?
Rayo Rindos.
Ringos.
Alright, so this one is caramel. I knew that. Caramelo sabor tamarindo releno. So it has something with caramel in it. So let's see. Whoa, wait a minute.
No. How can it be caramel?
It's
hard as fuck.
That's a bad idea.
Is that what caramel is?
Kids watching this, don't eat this with your loose tooth.
There's a term for that.
Ow!
Caramel.
No, words that sound like other words but have a totally different meaning.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm just saying it's a word.
That is a no.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Is there a little heat to that?
What is spicy to you?
What do you eat? No, it's not spicy. No, it's not good.
Yeah, it doesn't have a taste. Yeah, it's not. It's sweet, but it's not like. It's like a Jolly Rancher with no flavor. But that's what it tastes like to me. All right, so let's try it. So what is this, like a marshmallow
Yeah, it
feel?
looks like marshmallows.
It's definitely a marshmallow dipped in chocolate. Still taste that.
That's not too bad. All right, so now we have this serpentina, and it is delicioso, dulce de frutas. So it looks like a fruit roll up. All right, so like I said, this looks like a fruit roll up.
Okay, Tristan, come on.
You want to try that one?
No, you don't. Are you gonna eat more? You gonna eat more candy?
I can tell this one I can see that this one has spicy pretty good.
What are we eating now?
The serpentina.
What is it?
It's like a fruit roll
Fruit
up.
roll up? Is it a chamoy fruit roll up?
It doesn't say on here. Doesn't 100% natural. Tristan, chew. That's not bad.
I'm good.
Yeah. Alright, so this one is a mini Puerto Rico.
Mini papa.
Here, drink some water.
It smells weird.
You're done with candy, okay? No more candy.
No.
Here, I didn't
candy.
eat the chamoy thing. What's this thing?
This is the Puerto Rico. One thing I've noticed is that
Why? It's a straw.
but you can eat off of it.
Yeah, but you're probably supposed to put it in a drink.
Ow.
Yeah, it's like
That
salty
one.
fruit roll-up.
Salty fruit. So we have like a spicy fruit roll up and then a spicy other candy. All right, so far our favorite has been the Dulcitas. That's called. Or I don't know.
Oh, jeez, I threw them away.
Yeah, let me see. So this is the Jubilee.
Oh, yeah, do it.
Jubilee. So far the first ones are our favorites. So the first ones have been our favorites. And so that might be what we get for that one. The others, they're not bad, but they're different and it might not be something that we would get often, but it's all good, you know, it's our first time trying it. So yeah, let us know down below what your favorite Mexican candy is. So now I'm about to clear off the counter and I'm about to get the stuff for the Mangonadas. I think I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. And we're gonna try that out because, like I say, it looks really good, but we're going to be the judge of that. All right, so you're back. Alright, so we have our mangoes here, frozen chunks of mayo here. And then we have lime, we have our sugar, sugar replacement, and then we have our chamoy, and our tea. Lord, I love Spanish, y'all. So I'm gonna cut the lime. Okay. All right, so now we're going to add the mangoes. You want to put the mangoes in there? Okay. Here, let's just put a little bit. Because Mommy wants to keep her mangoes. I love mangoes. Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit, okay? Since we're just using one glass. And I'm going to add frozen
This is the cup we're using. I got the straws.
We're all gonna use that. Let's use frozen. Little bit of sugar.
I haven't seen it right.
Chamoy.
Chamoy. Yes, chamoy is powder. I'm not kidding.
Put some around the edges, according to what she said. And then we put some to hand.
Tristan say, Mommy, I repeat, don't put that.
Well, this is how you make it, so I got you right. How it's supposed to be made. Alright, so it's not perfect, but it'll do, right? It'll do. Alright. It's starting to look like it. Okay, now let's mangoes at the top. Okay, Tristan, enough. Okay, so you put the mangoes here at the top. Okay.
Mommy, watch Tristan.
Careful, buddy. Okay, hold on. I said I want to save some mangoes because I love eating mangoes. All right. Now we're going to put a little bit chamoy on top.
Too much chamoy. Wait,
And then a little bit of this. And that's it. All right. Ooh, look at her.
Daddy's
So I didn't add too much.
Mommy's
How do you say it? Y'all let me know down below. How is it supposed to be pronounced? Tahin or Tajin? So I only put a little bit just because the kids are gonna be trying it and I know they're very picky about that. So let's try it. It's our first time because it looks so good, but I'm like nervous.
so good.
I like Yeah, you have to be a mango fan to like it. Because I was thinking he was gonna say because he does not like he doesn't like mangoes. So if you're not a mango fan, then you probably won't like it. I like it. It's not too bad. But like I said, I love mangoes.
I'm not a mango lover.
Yeah, you have to like mangoes to like this. If you're not used to having this, I like it. Because I know like in California, it's a popular thing where they put like the spices, something like that. I think that's probably what they use. They put it on top of fruits and stuff. But I've always wondered like how that tasted because.
Yeah, they sell watermelon.
Oh, see? So it's like sweet and sour taste.
That stuff's just seasoned, right?
Daddy,
Yeah.
chicken!
Put that on
Daddy,
a steak.
Not a steak.
Daddy, chicken!
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it looks like
Mexico seasoning.
it's like seasoning salt.
Chicken!
Chili peppers, sea salt, citric acid,
No, I'm gonna burn!
silicone dioxide. That doesn't sound tasty. Yeah, so it's chili peppers, salt, and then citric acid.
Daddy, you want to
And
see
this
something
stuff
gross?
here.
So it's like a spicy salt.
Mommy, Daddy?
It'd probably be good on chicken.
Try next time, grill some chicken. Yeah, it tastes
Yeah, we got it now.
yeah. And then this one here, it's water, salt, sugar, citric acid, guajillo pepper, arbo pepper. So yeah, like it's a spicy, sweet and spicy sauce or something. I like it. I like it. It's definitely different.
You're a mango lover. Me and Daddy.
So maybe next time we're out, we'll probably like try like the fruits with the spices on it because I'm curious to see how that tastes. Huh? Well, I'm gonna try. Next time we're out, I'm gonna try the fruits with the spices on it just to see because everybody likes it and it's very popular. So why not try something new? All right. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let us know what you guys think. And like I said, this is our first time trying Mexican candies. So if we didn't like it, please forgive us. It's something new we have to get used to. But if you know of any good candy that we should try, let us know down below and I'll definitely try it out. And I'll leave the link down below for everything that we used and the tutorial that I used to make for Mangonada. And let us know any topics that you guys would like to see or know of with Black Along the Border. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.